Class 6 Mathematics Chapter 11 Variables. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today I will tell you about the variables. So let us see what is the variables. These quantity which keep changing are known as variables. So always remember these quantities which keeps changing are known as variables. These can have denoted by a letter, Hindi letter or English alphabet letter like A, B, S, D or A, B, C, D or X, Y, Z also X, Y, Z. So you can represent by this Hindi letter A, B, S and in English letter that is the A, B, C which is used for variables and the next one is that is the x, y, z. These are the also variables. So these are the variables denoted by, and it is the variable number or it is said to be algebraic numbers. So they are called as variable numbers or algebraic numbers. Let us see the next one. What is the relationship between the number and succeeding number? So number and succeeding number इसमें relationship find करना है. What the number comes after 4? So it is the 5. So you can say here 5. That means 4 plus 1, that is the 5. Similarly, what comes after 1000? It comes 1001. So which means 1000 plus 1, it is 1001. So any number is, if 1 added, we get the next number. In the similarly, if any number be let x, so then the next number will be x plus 1. If any number is x, then the next number is x plus 1 and next number after that it is x plus 2 and it is x plus 3. So you can say and so on. Now can you say similarly rules about the preceding number about this? So you can say it is x, so you can write preceding number that is x minus 1. It is x minus 2, it is x minus 3 and so on. Preceding means before the number. So we have to subtract 1. So we get this one is number. Now can you write even number? Even number that means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. These are the even number. So what will be happen? This means it is multiple of 2. So that will give the even number. If suppose n is the natural number, then the countable or you can say then it is the 2n. So even number is always representing by 2n. It is denoted by 2n. How can so it is 2n? Suppose for n is equal to 1. So 2 into 1 that is 2. N is equal to 2. So what will be happen? So 2 into 2 that is 4. Like that n is equal to 3. So it is 2 into 3 that is 6. So if we get even number that is 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. And it is represented by 2n. So that is the even number. Now come to the, what about to odd number? Even number is represented by 2n. So odd number is represented by 2n minus 1 or 2n plus 1. It is given here 2n minus 1 and 2 plus 1. So odd number, as you know, it is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. These are the odd numbers. So odd number is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Now you can see here what the number of this, and it is denoted by, as you know, it is 2n, not x minus 1, not x plus 1, but after that it is 2n plus 1 or 2n minus 1. So you can write the odd number like this. Now come to the sum instruction. Any letter that is used to denote number is known as numeric letters. So always remember, any letter which is used to denote number is known as numeric letter. Now these letters shows number a variable. This letter shows number a variable. Hence follows rule followed by a alphabetical to numbers. So it is the alphabetical to numbers. So the quantity that has definite numeric If the quantity that has definite numeric value, so it is not a variable and it is a constant number. Okay, the quantity that can have many numeral numbers, if the quantity have many numeral numbers, that means it is not a variable. In arithmetic, we use number with definite numeric values. Arithmetic में definite numeric values, but in algebra we use letters that can have more than one numeric values. That means x, y, z, or we can say it is a, b, and c also. The algebraic part of a number is a variable quantity. So if the p is equal to 4a, so 4 is the constant. That 4 is a constant quantity, but a is a variable. So this is the rules of this. Now come to the select which is variable or which is constant. The number of days in a week, it is the 7 number and that is the constant. So you can write here constant. Or here the temperature of day in the month of May. Month of May में temperature is always changing. So this is the changing and that is the variable. So it is called as variable. So here is the number of students coming to your class every day. Every day someone students are absent, so it is changing always. So that is called as variable. So you can write here number of players in hockey team. In hockey team the number of players are always constant. So you can write constant. Now come to the number of potato in 1 kg of potato. 1 kg potato, there are number as it is the variable, so changing. Why changing? If potato are large, so they are come in less number in the 1 kg. But if the potatoes are small, then there are a large number of potato in your 1 kg. So let us see next one. Next one is the number are related to some rules. You have see here. So it is the first number. This is the given as first number and written here first number. The second number is 6. It is written here 6 second term. And the third term it is the 9. But here is 12. So you can write here 9, not 12. It is 9. It is third number. Now the seventh number, what will be seventh number? So it is the 3 table, so you can say 3 7 are 21. So you can write here 21. Ninth number, it is the 27 because 3 9 are 27, so it is right. So nth term is called as 3n. So you have to write in the variable form. So now come to this line. The first number is 5 given, so here is first term is 5. And the second number is 8, so it is the second term, so that is right here 8. But third number is 11, but it is written here 14. It is, so you can write here it is 11, not 14. Now come to the 7 terms. So how can write the 7 terms? 1 2 3 4. So how much difference? Here is 3 difference. 5 3 8 8 3 11 and 14. So first of all you can write the variable. So that is the 3n plus 1. You can write like this. It is the nth terms. Suppose n is equal to 1. So 3 plus 1, that is the 5. So you can write here 2. So 3 plus 2, that is the 5. And 6 plus 2, that is 8. So what about 7 terms? 7 3 ja 21 and 2 23. So it is 23. And 9 terms, it is the 27 plus 2, that is the 29. So that can be right and that can be written with the help of this formula. Now the third one, it is the first term is given as 3 and the second term is the 7. It is given here and the third term is 11. It is not 15, so you can write here 11. And what about to next term? So you have to write here what will happen. There is the difference of 4. So you can write 4 n minus 1. Now put the 7, 7 for your 28 and minus 1, that is 27. And here is 9, so 4 9 are 36 and 1 minus, that is 35. So you have to write like this because you have a variable number. So after this you can change or you can make any other number, which is first number, second number, third, seventh, fourth, ninth, up to 12, up to 100, whichever you want to do this. So come to the exercise. What will be happen in your exercise? So exercise 11, indicate the following number, literal number and the basic operation sign. Also say what each letters denote. So first of come, the diameter of a circle is twice the radius. So how can write this one? So first of all, diameter is shows to d and the radius is shows to r. It is the variable. So d is equal to 2r. So d is equal to, what is the d denoted? That is the diameter. Diameter of circle. And r, what about to r? It's the radius of circle. Now come to the area of rectangle. What is the area of rectangle? So you can see here the area of rectangle. So you can say here length is denoted by L and breadth is denoted by B. This one is given as a rectangle. It is the length and this one is your breadth. So you can see here it is the breadth. So length into breadth. So area of rectangle. So you can write here area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. And it is denoted by area of rectangle is equal to length, that is the small l, and it is the small b. So you can say L is length and B is breadth. Now the selling price is equal to the sum of cost price and profit. So what will be happen in this? So you can write selling price, it is denoted by S, and the cost price, it is denoted by C, and the profit, that is the P. So that these are the variables. So you can write here S is equal to selling price and C is equal to cost price. And what about to P? P is the profit. So you can write here profit. So these variables are used for this question. Now a number is added to another number. So how can say a number, suppose that is the y. A number is added to another number. So y a number. So you can say here a number. And x, it is the second number. You can say another number. So a number is added to another number. So that is the x plus y. So that is your answer, where x and y are the variables. Now let us see in this fifth one. 7 is subtracted from any number. So let any number be x. So that means 7 is subtracted from number. So that you can say it is x minus 7. So that is your answer, where x is variable. Yes. Now composite amount is equal to the sum of principal and interest. Composite amount, so it is the set to C, and the principal, that is the P, and interest, that is the I. So you have to write three variables. So first one is C. So you can say composite amount. So you can write here composite amount. It is composite amount, and P is principal, and I for interest. So these are the variables you can use in this question. Now come to the second question. Identify the true or false statement and rewrite the wrong statement correctly. So first one is, it is your first number. The number succeeding a variable will be a plus 1. So that is the true statement. So you can write true. The value of x change according to situation. Yes, it is true also. 2n would be an odd number. So it is false. So you can write here 2 would be an even number. So you can write this one, it is false. M into n would be the product of any two number. It is the correct. So you can write true. Variables are generally indicated by small letters and English alphabet. So it is true. So you can write here true. It is true. So you have to write this one is true. So your exercise be finished. ये एक्सरसाइज आपकी समाप्त हो रही है और आशा करूँगा कि आप लोगों को जल्दी से जल्दी ये ख़त्म हो, आप लोग जल्दी से कंप्लीट कर लेंगे। और नीचे एक लाल रंग का बटन दिखाई दे रहा होगा, इसको दबा करके सब्सक्राइब करेंगे और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करेंगे जिससे ज़्यादा बच्चों का फ़ायदा हो सके।